Unit 4 Analyzing Data Session 4. This is the last session of our fourth unit, Analyzing Data. We are going to finish this chapter today. At the end of this session, you will learn to prepare charts. So far, we know how to prepare a mark list in well and ordered manner. But in order to analyze our data more clearly, or in order to examine the results of our data or data table more clearly, what should we do? We have an option to prepare charts. And we can grab all the parameters related to our data table more and more distinctly from the charts. So in this session, we are going to learn how we can make or how we can prepare charts for our prepared mark list. Alright, so let's see. So we are going to prepare a chart for our Q1 mark list. The first step is, yes, select cells on which name of the students are typed. Select cells on which names of students are typed. Okay? Alright. So what is the second step? Let's move on. Step 2. Select cells on which marks are entered by pressing Ctrl key. Here we have selected two columns, column name and column total. And we can select the cells, the arbitrary cells, only by pressing Ctrl key. Okay, so we have selected two columns, the name, the column name and the column total. So that is a 1 and 2 steps. Now let's see what is the third step. Step 3, from Insert tab, opt Chart tab. And in the Chart tab, we can see many chart types like column, line, pie, bar, etc. All these are chart types. We can select any chart type that you require for your data table. Okay? Alright. Now select the required chart type from the drop down. Here I have selected the pie chart type, and from the drop down I have selected the chart type pie. And now the chart as per our mark list is ready. Can't you see this? Yes, our chart is ready according to our mark list, and you can easily observe it from here that we can easily analyze or we can easily examine the results from the chart, right? Yes, that is the use of charts. And here we have learned how to prepare charts for our mark list, and you can choose any type of charts like pie, bar, line, scatter, etc. according to your choice. Okay? Alright. So finally we have learned to prepare charts for our prepared mark list. Alright, now let's move on. Now here comes one important question. Why? Why have we given cell address instead of values? I think this question might run in all your minds, right? Here comes your answer. If an error occurred while entering the number in a cell, what we'll do? To correct it, numbers in the cell and the formula ended have to be corrected, right? If an error occurred while entering a number in the cell, we have to correct both the numbers in the cell as well as we have to correct that number in the formula also. But in case if cell address is given in the formula, whatever changes we make in the cell will automatically be affected in the formula. So no need to change the values in the formula, because while changing the values in the cell, it automatically changes in the formula also. So here comes the answer for this question that's running in your mind. Okay? All right. Now that's all for today's class, and this is the end of this chapter. So we'll see you in our next class. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.